Bird log 10. Crikey! I've been wanting to say that all day. So I wanted to make a notation about Boeing Creek here, and just the environmental makeup of the area. Really, this is kind of like this. Down the corridor is kind of an interesting like commentary about what's going on in terms of like the hillside and the environment in general, and I can't help but feel like this is directly connected to like why birds don't build their nests here or don't come here looking for food right now. I mean, it's November, so it's not like there's like a huge amount of insects going around here. But one of the things that we talk about around the dinner table is the erosion that's happening down here along the creek. There's a section of trail, and I'm gonna kind of walk up here and hopefully not kill myself while I'm filming. But there's this sliver of a trail that's coming through here, and people hike this path like all the time. And when I first came back to Shoreline, it was a lot wider. So what I wanted to document was, as we come along here, this has always kind of been here, and this is always how it's kind of been, but you can kind of see where the hillside has fallen away in a big, big way. And as I'm walking through here, not a whole lot of bird song. And here's what I wanted to really document. So this path used to be just a little bit wider, and now it is very, 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 very small. So I'm gonna squish myself back here and cross over, and hopefully, actually I'm gonna go this way. That was actually really, really tight, especially when you have a camera lens protruding. So, at any rate, the point is that, see if I can get my boot into the shot, so for scale. Like, there's my boot. You can see just how slim this really is. Like, I really had to like hug the hillside to cross that little gap. And I think that's an interesting commentary about erosion here. Not that falling into the creek would have been, you know, it's not really that deep. I would have landed feet first and been okay, but it would have really sucked for the technology. So I'm gonna shut up for a little bit and just walk and let the phone try to record some noise, which there really isn't, but So here is where yesterday I recorded hearing some birds up in this, next to this house. So I'm gonna stop here for a little bit, do some data recording, see if I hear anything, but right now I don't hear anything. So we shall see. But my hypothesis about birds living near domestic human dwellings and getting an easier meal. There are birds over there. Two of them, I think. I'm gonna see if I can get some photography done, so I'm gonna end this log and see what happens with the, if I can pull some photos. Like, I'm hoping they're hanging around that stump. I can hear them, but I can't see them. But I'm fairly certain there's two, at least. So, that's bird log 10.